Hello, everyone. Hi, hello. So welcome to our Wednesday BOP. My name is Annie Rombuanga and I'm zooming this live po here in Davao City. So for tonight's presentation, we will be having it in three parts. The first part will be the product presentation, which I will be sharing for about 45 to an hour po, and then followed by the business presentation with Bro Rudolph for about 30 minutes. And then finally, we will have the Q&A portion with Doc Alex Ipay. And so let us begin up. Okay, yes. Okay. Health is our greatest wealth. Yes, totoo po ito, no? Especially if we are a parent or breadwinner, kailangan po talagang maging healthy tayo at all times para po makapag-provide po tayo ng we can provide for the needs of our families. But unfortunately, at this point of time, medyo unhealthy na po talaga ang lifestyle ng karamihan. So what are the factors po of those unhealthy lifestyle? We have this unhealthy diet or unhealthy eating. Alam naman po natin lahat na those fast food chains, I don't have to mention them, those are all cancer-causing foods. And then we also have these food deliveries na ngayon. And so, since nung dumami ang mga fast food chains na yan, dumami rin po yung ating mga dialysis center. Yung mga dialysis center po na yan, para na po siyang kabute or para na po siyang 7-Eleven. You can see them anywhere po. And so, ganun din po, dumami rin po ang ating mga drugstores and dumami rin po ang ating mga hospitals. I'm sorry, but this is business. This is their kind of business. And so another thing is the sedentary lifestyle. So pag sinabing sedentary lifestyle, wala po siyang mobility. So nandito na po tayo ngayon sa digital world, and so people tend to work through online or through sa office nila, the whole time lang po nakaupo. So nagko-computer, it's either yung iba computer, ang iba iPad, ang iba they can even do their online work through using a cell phone. So wala po siyang mobility, and it is a factor po. It can develop unhealthy lifestyle po. So may effect din po yan sa katawan natin. Another thing is the exercise. Okay, so sino po dito ang nag-exercise? Good thing that you do the exercise kasi kailangan po ng katawan natin. Tanong. Kasi may kakilala po ako. Kumusta naman po yung after niyo po mag-exercise, kumusta naman po yung diet natin? Kasi may mga kakilala po ako, they're into Zumba. Kaya lang po ang nangyayari after ng Zumba, kasi grupo sila, so they tend to eat. So, ang reason nila is, okay lang kasi nabe-burn ko naman. Pero little did they know na yung palang kinakain nila is beyond their maximum calorie count for the day. Like for example, ako, ang calorie count ko is 1,500. Pag pumasok po ako dyan sa mga fast food chains na yan, hindi po bababa, nasa 1,200 to 1,500 per calorie ng isang order po yan. And saka isang meal lang siya. And then we have 3 meals. So nag-exceed na ako. So we have to be very careful also of what we intake. Tapos another thing naman is yung tulog po natin, yung rest at saka sleep natin. Kasi ang recommended po talaga sa atin is at least 6 to 8 hours of good rest po talaga siya. And kasi ang cell regeneration at saka yung body organs po natin, nire-repair po yan in the middle of the night as we sleep. So dito po na part, nako-compromise po yung ating mga call center agents and yung mga graveyard shifts. So part din po yan. And also we have the water and then the, ano pa ba yun? Water and then the sunlight. Yan, mga factors din po yan. So ano po ang nangyayari if we keep on doing this unhealthy lifestyle? Diyan na po mag-uumpisa na magkakaroon po tayo ng sakit. And then kung kailan po tayo nagkasakit, tsaka pa lang po natin maiisip all about health and wellness. So good thing po that we have this iTheraCare. So ano po ba itong iTheraCare? It is the most powerful wellness device today. A modern alternative approach towards wellness. So in this picture po, we have these three products, the iTheraCare Pro, iTheraCare Classic, iTheraCare Premium Plus, and marami pa po tayong mga products. This one naman po, ito yung kaka-release lang po nitong 2024. And ito po ngayon yung parang mabilis po ang sales niya kasi ang feature niya po is between the Classic and the Pro, which I will be discussing a little more of it later po. So, paano po siya na-discover and paano po siya na-develop? So, this was developed into two concepts po. So, the first one is the frequency medicine. According to Albert Einstein, that the future medicine will be the medicine of frequency. And this was before po, during his time. So, bale, that future is now na po. So, nangyayari na po siya, hindi lang po siguro tayo aware, pero nangyayari na po siya na we are into the world of frequencies na po. And it has been proven also from NASA way back to September 2003, they discovered that certain frequencies help cells heal, regenerate, recover, repair. It is a pulse electromagnetic field that increases cellular growth and gene proliferation. So ibig sabihin, nakita po nila na meron po talagang certain frequency na nakakatulong po para sa ating mga cells. So ano po kaya yung cell na yun na ibig nilang sabihin? So we will find out later po. So these are just an example of our hospital therapy equipment. These are the radio frequency and the low frequency. Usually po ginagamit ito sa mga stroke cases and dun po sa mga nakaka-incur po ng mga accident. So therapy treatment po ito para sa kanila. As you can see, for the radio frequency, it costs 6,700 for 30 minutes. Sa low frequency naman, 5,000 for 30 minutes. And kapag sinabi pong therapy, ibig sabihin sessions po yan. Hindi lang po isang beses na pupunta kayo sa hospital, but pabalik-balik po yan. So, ibig sabihin, every time na bibisita po kayo, magbabayad po kayo for the therapy. And then again, we are using frequency for facial treatment. And as per this photo po, this is our core leader po. And according to Bro Rudolph, this session po will cost around 10 to 12,000. So medyo may kamahalan po para lang magpaganda. And then this is the new and modern devices po that we have in our big, usually po nasa mga malalaking hospitals po siya. And so we have these MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, radio, 2D echo, pati po yung ginagamit natin for the dialysis. Those are run or operated by frequencies. And so we are so thankful kasi in year 2014, our biomedical scientist Yang Wenjun has successfully invented a portable frequency device. So pasalamatan po natin siya kasi this time we can do the therapy or the treatment at the comfort of our homes. So hindi na natin po kailangan magpabalik-balik sa hospital. So kailangan na lang po that we have this device so we can do it at home. At tapos marami pa po ang magbe-benefit because it can be used by the entire family po. So that was way back 2014, and this is the evolution of the terahertz. It took 8 years po of research and development by Dishang Company. So, noong 2014 po, ang unang labas po niya, it cost 20 million in peso po on the average. And then, noong 2017, bumaba naman ng konti, pero mahal pa rin po kasi maabot pa rin po siya ng million. Ito po, noong 2014, na naka-afford lang po nito is yung mga high-end institutions like yung malalaki talagang mga hospitals. Siguro, probably, meron din pong yung mga billionaires na bumili nito for their home use. And then, noong 2019 naman, we have this Pro device. This is the 3rd generation terahertz device. It's a combination of heat and light waves, new concept of therapeutic device focusing on whole body therapy. So this one po, pagpasok po ng pandemic, nagkaubusan po ito. And then luckily, kasi nakatulong po talaga siya with COVID cases po, especially sa youths. And then noong 2021, we are so thankful po kasi we have this fourth generation iTeracare device. With the device po, it has a 3-core technology, terahertz, quantum, and optical quartz, which I will be discussing also later. So ito po siya yung tinatawag namin na chili hot red pepper. Something like that kasi ito po siya, this time it's masa po ang presyo. So we are so thankful for the company owners po kasi ang vision po talaga nila is one device per household. So it came to a reality na po through this classic device. And then nung 2024, the 5th generation iTeracare device was launched. Nung January lang po ito, we had this second year anniversary held in Thailand. So 10,000 delegates din po yung andon. So that was the time na na-launch po itong device na ito. And now, nandito na po siya sa Philippines and mabilis po ang circulation niya. And then with that po, kasi since effective po talaga, I personally can say po na effective po talaga yung product. And with that po, we made sure na we had this device patented. And it was the Dishang manufacturer appointed po the Pride International as the sole distributor of the iTeracare. So sole distributor lang po tayo. So if ever po na may makikita kayo sa online na nagbebenta ng mura, mag-isip-isip po tayo kasi those are deal fake po talaga. And so talaga, maghanap po tayo ng mga distributors, especially yung mga nag-invite po sa inyo, you have to approach them na lang po. And so, at the same time, noong January po, nung nilaunch ang Premium Plus, nagkaroon din po ng signing of agreement between Dishang and the Pride International owner. So, ibig sabihin po, with that contract po, the Pride International is part owner na po of Dishang. So, yun po ang kagandahan niya. So, ibig sabihin, this will be lifetime, na medyo matagal po talaga ito na kasi tuloy-tuloy na po ito. With the product itself po, wala na po tayong doubt with that. And then the second concept naman is from Hippocrates. This is all about heat. He is the ancient father of medicine, and 25 centuries ago, ang sabi po niya, if there's a way to hit the bones, then all diseases can be treated. So ngayon, mapapaisip ka as first-timers, nung narinig ko yan, napaisip din ako. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, papainitin yung buto ko without burning my skin or ano to, yes, burning my skin. So paano kaya yon? So again, for later part, I will be discussing. So it was validated po by a German best-selling author na according to him, the ideal body temperature po talaga natin is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or that is equivalent to 37 degrees Celsius po sa atin. For us po, pag umabot na po tayo ng 37 degrees Celsius, para sa atin po sinat na po yan. Pero yan po talaga ang ideal pala na body temperature natin para ma-obtain natin yung mga health benefits. And we are so lucky enough that we have this iTeracare na all we have to do is blow our body, blow our body. And so as we blow our body, ito po yung mga benefits na nakukuha natin. It boosts immune system, increases metabolic activity in cells, increases cellular oxygenation, blood flow increases, metabolizes waste products in the body, softens connective tissues, relaxes muscle fibers, reduces joint stiffness, and powerful painkiller. Itong last portion, yan po talaga ang nakatulong sa akin ng malaki. And with that concept po, the heat and the frequency, pag pinagsama niyo po sila, yung kay Hippocrates and kay Albert Einstein, comes a new way of wellness. So don't pop a pill, just blow it. Ibig sabihin, stop na po muna tayo kakatake ng medicine. Di po ba, before hindi naman uso ang medicine, pag sumakit lang yung ulo, inom lang ng tubig. Pero ngayon, very dependent na tayo sa mga pain relievers. Pero alam naman po natin yung after effect niyan later on. It will damage our kidneys. So, i-share ko lang po yung sa 90-year-old mother ko. When I introduced her this device, ang pinaka-goal lang po niya talaga is mabawasan yung kanyang mga maintenance meds because ang maintenance meds niya po before iTeracare, 8 medicines po. And luckily, thank you Lord, kasi at the moment po, 3 na lang po yung tinitake niya na maintenance meds. So praise God. And so let's go to the technical side. We have this 3-in-1 core technology. Ito po ang meron sa ating device. This is safe, this is smart, safe, effective, and portable. So we have these terahertz, the quantum scalar energy, and the optical quartz. Pag sinabi pong terahertz, meron po siyang, it resonates with our cells, thus activating healthy and dormant cells. So ang ginagawa po niya, nagre-resonate or sync po sila ng vibration ng katawan natin. And then, itong terahertz po na ito po yung sinasabi ni Albert Einstein. And then with optical quartz naman, this mimics the 1/40th of the sunlight. Kasi di po ba sa panahon ngayon, sino pa po kaya dito ang nagpapaaraw early in the morning para salubungin po yung sunrise? Di po ba medyo iilan na lang? So again, due to sedentary lifestyle, hindi na rin natin na-adapt yan siya. Tapos yung mga late na tutulog, hindi na nahahabol yung early morning sunrise. So, good thing kasi yung iTeracare po natin has a sunlight of its own. Kung ano po yung benefit na nakukuha natin sa sunlight, same din po ang nire-release ng blower sa atin. So, with this optical quartz po, ito naman po yung concept ni Hippocrates. And then, ngayon, ang ginagawa po ng optical quartz is ina-amplify niya po or pinalalakas niya po ang power ng terahertz at ng quantum. By the way, quantum, yan po ang nagpa-penetrate. Tumutulong po siya kasi terahertz in itself po, hindi po niya kaya yung penetration na yon. So, ang ginagawa po ng pag-on po natin ang device, as we switch on the device, sa base pa lang po, magre-release na siya ng heat. So, yung heat na yun po, dadalhin niya po yung quantum at saka yung terahertz po papunta sa body natin. So, ganun po ang ginagawa niya. And then the quantum energy energizes our cells, balances bodily system, strengthens the body, produces healing energy. By the way, ang trabaho po ng quantum is like batteries po. A charger po ng batteries. So, ganun po ang function niya. So we have these 5 features of iTeracare: the penetration, activation, identification, safety, and user-friendly. I will go into it po very briefly na lang po ha. So number 1 is the penetration. So by the name itself, the penetration. Yung pag-penetrate po ng blower, nung heat sa katawan natin. So again, as we do the blowing po, through the help of the quantum scalar, papasok po siya, like for example, dito po, as I do the blowing po, nakafocus po siya dito. So, ang penetration po through the help of scalar energy, kaya niya pong abutin 20 to 30 centimeters po deep. So, abot po niya ang ating mga bone marrow. So, what happens with that? It activates and actively finds and eliminates bad cells, and it actively finds and protects good cells. So yan po ang nagagawa ng iTeracare through penetration. The second feature naman is to activate cells. There is resonance. Again, ang sabi ko po kanina, our trillions of cells are like batteries po. So same lang po ng cellphone natin, kahit high-end pa yan siya, or kahit low-end, kapag nag-low-bat po yan siya, useless po. So, kailangan i-charge natin para magamit natin ulit. So, the same case with our body po. At the end of the day, buong araw nagtrabaho, so at the end of the day, we really have to charge our body as well. Terahertz resonates the same frequency as normal human cells, generating 100 millions of vibrations per second. So, nagva-vibrate po siya. And then the third one is the identification. Siyempre, kung may good cells, meron din pong bad cells. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, we all have cancer cells po in our body. Those are dormant cells po. So depende na po sa lifestyle natin kung paano po natin i-feed yung katawan natin. Syempre po pag unhealthy yung lifestyle natin, ang mga paborito po ng cancers is yung sugar po talaga. So, if you keep on feeding with those unhealthy food, eventually po mabubuhay po si cancer cells. So, ano po ang ginagawa ni iTeracare? So, as you do the blowing po, mabilis po ang vibration niyan. So, nagba-vibrate po siya. Yung good cells po, since same po sila ng frequency, with the terahertz na pinapasok, ang ginagawa niya po na-activate siya and then it will start to repair. Yung mga every organs po ng katawan natin, nire-repair niya po. And then again, as I have said, the repair of our body system po is during nighttime. And then ngayon, at the same time, dahil sa sobrang lakas ng vibration, yung mga bad cells naman po is sumasabog. So yan po, madalas po natin naririnig na yung all about detoxification. Yes, detoxification is happening po, and then this is our waste. Yung mga waste po natin or yung mga mutated or abnormal cells, since sumasabog po sila, lumalabas po sila sa katawan natin. And how is that? Through urination po, pawis natin, and also defecation, especially if nag-undergo tayo ng constipation, and ano yung isa? Yun siya, yung basta sa defecation po. And though the fourth feature is the safety. Again, paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi na our device is zero radiation po talaga. It is being tested. So we have this to show po. Ang gagawin niya po is itetest niya po sa induction cooker, and then he will test also sa Pro device namin. Wait lang po. So you can see po, zero po siya, and then ilalapit niya po sa induction cooker, na yung induction cooker po hindi pa po gumagana, hindi pa po siya na-turned on. So ganyan po kataas yung kanyang radiation. Over 1,000. So that is very high po. This time naman po, bumalik siya sa zero, and then ita-try naman po siya sa ating Pro device. So as you can see, it is zero radiation po. So ginawa na rin po yan sa corporate, and we have also some distributors na bumili po talaga ng device na yan, itong detector na yan, just to prove po or just to test kung talagang zero radiation. And yes, it did po. Zero radiation po talaga. So we have this 62 clinical test reports po issued by Beijing Research Institute of Chemical Technology. So meron po siya talagang research na ginawa, and this is being tested. This was tested on humans na po talaga. And this shows po na effective po talaga yung products. So how effective po ang mga device? So we give 5 stars po against various inflammation. According to Doc Alex Ibay, inflammation is the mother of all diseases po. Diyan po nag-uumpisa. So we have this rhinitis, pharyngitis, gastritis, lahat po ng mitis. Part po yan siya ng inflammation. And malaking tulong po yung iTeracare. And just to prove po, ang husband ko po suffers from arthritis. And ganun din po yung 29 years old son ko, gout naman po sa kanya. So as early as 27 siguro, he's been suffering from gout. So nag-guilty naman yung nanay, ano? Kasi nag-schooling po siya sa Manila, and we are here in Davao. Syempre, on his own, ang madalas pong inuulam is yung mga madadaling kainin, and most of all, yung mga processed foods. So kanya po as early as now, nagka-gout po siya. And according to them po, yung dating pahirap po sa kanila na 5 to 7 days, now it's down to 2 to 3 days na lang po. Especially yung son ko, sabi niya, for example, nagka-gout siya ngayon, the next day po, kaya na po niyang lumakad ng medyo maganda na po yung lakad niya. Compared before na talagang namamaga po yung mga paa niya. So that is 5-star. Ngayon, for various aches and discomforts in the body, we give 4 stars po. We give 4 stars po. So dito po, I can see dysmenorrhea. So I'll take the case of my niece po, who is now 22 years old. Bali sa kanya po, she's been experiencing dysmenorrhea every may period po siya. So mainit po ang ulo niya, nakikipag-away every time na may period siya. And though this time, ang ginagawa niya po is before po dumating yung period niya, nagbo-blower na po yan siya. So umiinom din po siya ng charged water. And according to her po, nalilesen daw po. And may times din po na talagang hindi na niya na-experience yung dysmenorrhea every time na may period po siya. And then remove, that's 4 star. And then for the blockages naman, we give 4 stars also. I see here varicose veins. Yung kaibigan po ng pinsan ko, nag-demo po kami sa kanila. And then right there and then po, after ng blower, nag-lighten up po yung varicose vein. So ganun po siya ka-amazing. So ano po ba ang side effect ng Itara Care? Siyempre, ang side effect niya po is you look young and you feel young. Yes! So great for skin beautification po siya. So what are the methods and steps of operation? So ganito po yung ginagawa. This is the standard operation po. Better po if in lying position and better po if nakahubad. Kung papasok po kayo sa mga therapy clinics, ganito po ang ginagawa nila. So talagang nakahubad po kayo and they will do the blowing. So careful lang po ang paano nila ginagawa. Siyempre, start po muna tayo with the basic protocol. We do share naman po the basic steps and how to do the blowing po. So ngayon, paano if wala pong magbo-blower sa atin sa bahay, tapos wala pong gagawa ng ganito or tinatamad po yung magbo-blow sa inyo, pwede naman po na tayo ay nakaupo. So again, hanap lang po tayo ng magbo-blower sa atin. We can do this sit-up position po. And ngayon, kung talagang mag-isa lang po kayo sa bahay at wala pong gagawa nun para sa inyo, you can do it by yourself po. Kasi handy lang naman po yung mga devices natin. Okay po? So, pwede din po, ang husband ko po, gumagamit po siya ng microphone stand. So, para-paraan lang po siya. So, this is easy to operate. No professional skills or knowledge needed. Just blow on the affected area and unaffected and uncomfortable areas. So it is 100% safe. So ito po yung basic steps on how to use the device. First of all, we have to drink 2 glasses of warm water. Preferably po charged water. So ano po yung charged water na yon? Bale yung water po natin, i-charge po natin, any drinking water po natin, for about a minute or 2. So 2 glasses po siya, you have to drink it before you start the blowing. And then ito po yung mga basic protocol. The acupuncture points po, yan po yung unahin natin i-blow. Much better po if we follow the steps na lang para wala po tayong ma-miss out. So we start with the palm, the soles, behind the knees, the groin, especially for the men, to prevent prostate cancer also. And sa armpit, dito naman po para sa mga babae to prevent breast cancer naman po. And then we have this lymph node, the upper neck, the head, the butt, and you have to blow downwards from sa spine. Then after po ng blowing, charge po ulit tayo, inom po ulit tayo ng charged water. By the way, if hypertensive po or mataas po ang pressure during the therapy session, refrain lang po natin i-blow yung ating crown. We can do the sideways. Okay po. By the way, if classic lang po ang gamit nyo, like this one, the red one, after this basic protocol, you have to let it rest po muna for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then after po ng rest, pwede na po natin siyang i-resume, mag-focus blowing na po tayo kung saan po yung mga areas of concern. For example, arthritis, kung saan yung affected area. If you are diabetic, you focus on the pancreas, yung mga ganyan po. We also give guidelines po kung paano po siya i-blow for a particular disease po or illness. But if you are using premium or pro po, tuloy-tuloy na po. Ganun po siya kaganda. So with iTheraCare, syempre meron din po tayong protection, we prevention, and we have to keep the company safe also. So we have this, bawal po siyang gamitin sa mga pregnant and menstruating women. And then, yung may mga stent in the heart, like the pacemaker. Kung may mga contact lenses po tayo, refrain po tayo na i-blow directly sa eyes. If we have open wounds or fractured bones, refrain din po natin i-blow directly doon. And we have object implanted po. Like for example, nabalian ka ng buto, syempre lalagyan po tayo ng steel. So iwas din po doon. We can blow naman any other areas of the body na malayo po dyan sa mga restrictions na yan. Okay? So, again, na-mention ko po that we have to charge the water. So, bakit po kailangan i-charge ang water? Siguro napansin niyo po na there are times na umiinom tayo ng tubig na nabubulunan tayo. Kasi po, ang itsura po ng fan is like this. Clustered po siya. So, kumpul-kumpul po siya. So, may tendency po talaga na mabulunan tayo. So, as we charge po the water, nagkakaroon po siya ng linear. So, mas fine. There are times naman na pag umiinom ako, smooth siya, hindi ko napapansin na dumaan na pala siya sa lalamunan ko. And though, this is the how it looks po, the blood structure. This one po sa taas, this is before drinking the charged water. So talagang kumpul-kumpul po talaga yung mga blood natin. And ito naman po, ganito po ang mangyayari sa blood natin, blood structure natin after we drink the charged water. So medyo relax po sila. Okay? And so we have this disclaimer po. Siyempre, this is very essential. So iTheraCare device is a certified household electrical equipment. It is not a medical device. Paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi niyan na iTheraCare is just an ordinary home appliance po. Nagkataon lang po na as we hit our body po, na-activate po talaga yung cells niya and then nagkakaroon po ng self-healing. We do believe naman that our body has the ability to heal by itself. Yan. Ito ngayon ang favorite portion ko ngayon, the testimony. Siyempre, before po ako mag-share ng testimonies, I have to share my testimonies first. So, yung anak ko, nasabi ko kung may gout na 30 years old na po, siguro I have been suffering this back pain for over 25 years kasi 29 na siya. And then I think 22 years old pa lang po siya. I slipped on a spilled water po. It po sa dining. May basa po yung sahig. So nadulas po ako, totally bagsak po ako. So bumagsak po yung balakang ko. And then, from there on po, I have been experiencing extreme back pains po for over 25 years. And so, nung na-introduce itong iTheraCare sa amin by Sismay, actually, ako po yung skeptical at first. It was Hadi who decided right there and then na sige, try natin yung product. So ako naman, syempre, submissive wife, yes. So, bumili po kami ng device and then little did I know na yun pala ang magiging solution po ng aking paghihirap. So, hindi ko po napansin siguro at I think it's just less than 6 months na nagtaka na lang ako na hindi na pala sumasakit lang ang likod ko. And now we've been using the device for over 2 years, like 26 months. I'm sorry. We've been using the device for 26 months. And hindi na po siya talaga, as in, hindi ko na po nararamdaman yung sakit. In the event lang po, slight lang po na sumakit yung likod ko, what I do po is direct blowing na po sa likod. For 5 minutes lang, just for 5 minutes. And then the pain won't persist anymore. So, ganyan po siya kagaling. ito po ang paborito ko at gustong-gusto ko i-share. This is the love of my life. My 90 years old mother po. In this video po, pinapatotoo po ko lang po yung sharing, yung sinasabi ni Doc Alex na if we have an Itera Care device in our house, it's like having a 24/7 doctor in our home. Totoo po ito. Nangyari po ito sa mother ko. So, ang case po ng mother ko, 90 years old, ang case niya po is diabetes, heart problem, tuberculosis, hypertension. So dito po sa picture na ito, before this happened po, naka-experience na po siya ng pag-uubo po. So medyo matagal na po yung ubo niya, siguro mga 3 weeks. And then, sandali lang po, Okay, so I'm back. Ito po siya, ang ginawa ko po, since 3 weeks na po siyang inuubo, ang sabi ko po sa kanya, nung yung pinaka-last na araw na po, prior to admission, sabi ko po sa kanya, Ma, kailangan na kitang i-admit. Pero sabi niya, hindi. Gamitin mo lang yung blower. So blower, every after ilang pa yun, blower siya ng blower. And then umabot po ng 10 p.m., sabi niya po, sa tingin ko, hindi ko na kaya, dalahin mo lang. So itinakbo po namin siya sa hospital. With this case po, I thought this was the last time that I would be seeing my mother. Kasi totally helpless po siya and talagang kung titingnan mo, hirap na hirap siya. Intubated, diretso ICU. That was November 12. So na-admit po siya sa ICU for 7 days. And yung mga kasabayan ko po, syempre ICU yan, everyday may namamatay po. So sabi po nung watcher namin, ang galing daw ni Mami kasi at 90 years old, bali ang tibay niya po. And then, you know what? November 12 po yan, ano? And then, nung November 17, nalipat na po siya sa private room. Hindi po niya alam na yung brother ko po, November 15, passed away. Inatake po, nag-cardiac arrest. So, binalitaan po namin siya noong November 19, 2 days prior to interment. So, yung positivity siguro sa feeling ni mama na masyado po kasi siyang obsessed po sa kanyang Itera Care device. Nasa bed niya lang po talaga yan. Lagi po niyang ginagamit yan. So, I believe na nakatulong din po sa kanya yan. Mentally, yung Itera Care na yan. And na-manage niya po ng maayos. Sabi niya lang po, I will lift it up to our Lord. So, ganun po. Tatlo na po ang kapatid ko na nauna pa kay mama. So, kung ganun po kahirap ang struggles ng mother ko, how much more po kayo na medyo mild lang po siguro yung mga nararamdaman natin, why not try it po? So, for sure naman po, without hesitation, we will really recommend the device. So ito po, katuwaan lang po kasi ang workplace ko po nasa bedside po ng mother ko and then paglingon ko po sa kanya, yan po yung ginagawa niya. So naglilinis po siya ng kuko niya and at the same time naka-headphone po yan, nakikinig sa YouTube niya. Katuwaan lang. Actually ngayon may mga katuwaan po akong kinukuha sa kanya. Yes, and so again, as I have said, from 8 maintenance medicines, now it's down to 3 na lang po. And hopefully, sa next visit namin, baka 2 na lang po. And so this time, I will share naman other testimony. This is from Sir Ian McIntosh. Davao-based din po siya and I do believe po na nandito siya ngayon sa Zoom natin because he never skips any Zoom meetings po. One time po, we will invite him to speak personally for his testimony po. Ang case niya po is sebaceous cyst. He has suffered this for 57 years na po kasi he got this 17 years old pa po siya. So for 57 years, dala-dala niya po ito. Maliit lang po yan actually and then lumaki lang ng lumaki. Ang sabi po ng doctor niya, if it doesn't harm you, wag na lang siyang galawin. And then nag-try din po siya na ipa-operate. Naka-schedule na po talaga siya for operation. But then, meron po siyang 2 kaibigan who had the same case na After operation, I'm sorry to say, but they passed away. Siyempre ikaw, kung sa case mo yan, ma-alarma ka, di ba? So, hindi na lang po niya itinuloy. Yung Australian doctor niya nga po yung Australian doctor niya po ang nagsabi na if it doesn't hurt and it doesn't bother you, just leave it alone. So, lumaki po ng ganyan. And good thing po, meron po kaming distributor na nakilala po nila. And so, nag-offer po sa kanila if they can do a demo to him. And then, pumayag naman po silang mag-asawa. So, this is the day 1 po. As you can see po, nag-start na siya mag-peel off. So, nag-blower po sila in the afternoon. And then, at night po, ang sabi po ni Sir Ayan, something is going on. Tapos, nung chinek po ng asawa niya, ito na po yung nangyari. So, nag-start na po siya mag-peel off. Good thing po na na-document po ng wife niya. Every day po may documentation. So, this is day 1, this is day 2. Ngayon, we have this day 3, day 5, day 8, day 10. And would you believe po that it only took them 14 days to totally heal from this bukol po. Ito na po ang itsura niya. So, very maliit na lang po. Parang tuldok na lang po yan. So, eto po siya ngayon. From this, ang before picture niya po, eto na po siya ngayon. Actually, nag-abot pa po kami sa mga meetings namin, face-to-face meetings dito sa Davao. Nakita ko pa po, na-witness ko pa po siya talaga na yung collar niya, yes, may nakatakip po talaga sa leg niya. Kasi that was the time na nag-undergo po siya nung yung mga day 1 to 10 na yun. So talagang right in front of our eyes po talaga. And so syempre, hindi po ako po huli. With this po, I have this to prove na talagang Sir Ian is talagang gumaling po with Iteracare. So the good thing about this, ang sabi po niya, the surprising thing, there is no pain, no odor, no medication except blown water. So ang ginagawa po ng asawa niya, binoblow po muna ng charged water and then tsaka po siya tinitherapy. They do it twice a day po. So amazing. And then we have this naman, aneurysm stroke. So very young pa po, no? At this time, I think 29 pa lang. Pero as what I have known po, parang this was due to the after effect po of the COVID vaccine. So, ito po, may nakapasok po sa St. Luke's po ito ha. That was January 22. Nakatago pa po yung identity niya. And then I was so lucky enough kasi we had this ISB training just this May po and I was able to meet personally ito pong nag-blower sa kanya. So, sinagaan niya po talaga. So, for 5 days, day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, wala pong nangyari. But on the 5th day po, ito na po yung nag-uumpisa na po siyang makalaga. And then on the 10th day naman po, he was discharged na po. And then, ayan po, ang itsura niya. So, on recovery. And as I have known po, parang naka-recover na po siya at the moment po. See, that's how amazing po talaga si Iteracare. And then finally, I have this to share also. This is Bruno po, our pet beagle. So, ang case naman po niya is leptospirosis. Nanghina po siya nung dinala po namin siya sa vet. Ang findings po is leptospirosis. So, everyday po yan, sorry to say, pati po yung katabi niya na yan, everyday po may namamatay na aso. But he was able to survive. During this course po, ang sabi po ng vet sa kanya, 50-50 po yung chance niya. And because of that, syempre, nawala ang nawala ako. And then, pinakiusapan ko po yung mga staff doon na if possible, can I leave this device? Tapos kung pwede po, paki-blower po siya every 2 hours for like 5 to 10 minutes lang. So ginawa naman po nila kasi may monitoring po sa kanila. And ako naman, kapag po bumibisita ako, yes, I do the blowing also. And so, dahil po admitted siya doon, maraming aso, aside sa leptospirosis, nagkaroon po siya ng parasitism. So, kaya po bumagsak yung katawan niya ng ganyan. So, it cost us 30,000 pesos in just a span of 3 weeks. Nung nag-bill out po kami, nabigyan kami ng discount, 27,000. Pero, oh wow, mahal pa rin po siya. So all the while we thought na okay na po siya. So after a week nagtaka ako ng hina ng lalo. So we have to take him back to the vet only to find out na meron na po siyang noted bowels. Ibig sabihin po, yung 3 weeks na admission niya, naka-dextrose lang po siya. So, ang nangyari, nagkumpul-kumpul po yung kanyang intestines. O nagkadikit-dikit po yung kanyang intestines. So, ngayon, ang sabi ng doctor, the only remedy we can do is operation. Pero since kung makikita nyo yung katawan niya, butot balat na po yan. So, ang sabi po ng doctor is only miracle can save him. So, again, sinagaan ko po siya talagang i-blower. Helpless po siya, so I can do the blowing as often as I want. So, that was June 2022 po. And now, ito po yung recent photo niya. He now weighs 20 kilos and sobrang pa. Kung hindi ko po i-control yung pagkain niya, obese po ang mangyayari sa kanya. Magiging obese po siya. And very active po siya and playful. So may kabigatan na po yung 20 kilos na yan. Imagine mo, nakasurvive from this to this. So that's amazing how the products really works. And then meron din pong iba na na-try na po nila sa plant and effective po talaga. So yan po ang kagandahan ng product natin because you will just have to purchase one device but it can benefit po the entire household po, even our pets, even our plants po. So ngayon, sa mga nagtatanong po, magkano po ang price? We have this in Philippine price po, that's the classic, that's 350 or equivalent to 19,950. For the premium plus naman po, that's $650 or 37,050. For the premium, that's 1,050 or equivalent to 59,815 pesos. And the Pro device naman po, that is 3,500 or 199,500. So ang difference po nilang tatlo, ito po siya, we can use this kung gagamitin niyo po siya straight, mga 40 to 45 minutes lang po. That's why we recommend na after the basic protocol, you have to let it rest lang po para medyo ma-extend. At saka maprotektahan po din natin yung kanyang motor. Now, this one naman, premium, both of these po, they are light and lesser sound po. Medyo hindi po siya ganun kaingay. And then, perfect po siya sa ating mga senior citizen. Ito po ang unang gamit ng mother ko, premium. Yan po yung nasa bed niyan. And then this time, itong premium plus po kasi mas maganda compared to this kasi meron na po siyang beeping sound. So every 2 seconds po, every 2 minutes nagbi-beep po siya, which parang guidelines na po natin na we have to move to the next level, next step na po kung saan yung i-blow natin. And then ito po siya is a combination of the premium and the pro. So meron din po siyang cool setting. Not that cool as the pro po, but cooler than the classic and the premium po. And then ito namang pro device, kaya po siya ganyan kamahal. It's because it's a high grade quality po. Hospital grade quality na po siya. So ginagamit po siya sa hospitals at saka sa mga therapy clinics. And meron din pong for personal use, may yung mga can afford po talaga na gumagamit nito personally. And yung cool settings niya po, maganda po kasi para sa ating skin, para sa face, yung mga sensitive skins natin. So yun po ang kagandahan niya. So that ends my presentation.